Whether you are using Meta ads, for example here Facebook ads for capturing your leads, or even Google ads, or a lot of other lead generating campaigns if you are using. Investing money on each of the lead but not able to capture them properly at a same place. Here I am going to show you a perfect solution for that. I am using Facebook lead ads to capture my leads. I am also using Google ads for capturing leads for the same digital marketing agency. And I want to create a record of all these leads at the same place in my Google Sheets. So here I have connected my Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets and my Google ads with my Google Sheets. However, I've done that with these two simple automations. And I am going to show you these two automations step by step entirely in this video. I have not used any coding or any programming skills to create these automations. Once I have built them just in 5 minutes, every time I'm receiving any lead from any of my lead generating source, all the data, the entire data is getting captured automatically in my Google Sheets. So let's learn both the automations step by step for our business. So I am on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, if you are an existing user, directly sign in. But for new users, you have to click on this sign up for free button. When you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software after you create your account. Okay, it will take only 2 minutes to create a free new account, and you will get free tasks so that you can explore this software. You can test multiple automations for your businesses, connect multiple applications with each other. And if you realize that this software is worth purchasing, you can go for any of the plan for your requirements. And also I'm going to give you a surprise, that is my discount code SHRYT. If at the time of checkout you will use my discount code, you will receive exclusive discounts that are highest of all. Okay, and this is limited time offer, so grab fast. Now I'm going to quickly sign in as I am already an existing user. We are on all apps section of Pabbly, and not only Pabbly Connect, but we have amazing other applications as well inside Pabbly, which helps us automate all kind of tasks. If you want to automate entire WhatsApp marketing, you can go for using Pabbly Chatflow. That is an amazing WhatsApp marketing and automation software. If you are having a SaaS automation software or subscription based software, for that you can also use Pabbly subscription billing. We have Pabbly email marketing as well. We have Pabbly form builder and much more. And not individually, but if you want all of them at one place for your business departments, you can go for having Pabbly Plus plan. And do not worry, my coupon code is also going to work on that plan as well. Now I'm going to quickly access Pabbly Connect, and we will start creating the workflow. Let's click on this blue button, create workflow. We'll quickly go towards quick builder. With the help of it, we can create the workflow very quickly with a single line prompt. If you want, you can also go for creating from scratch. Okay, now let me quickly add a new chat. And here we just have to provide what applications we want to connect. First of all, I'm going to show you how to capture Facebook leads in Google Sheets. Okay, so here I'm going to enter connect Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. As soon as I'm going to click on enter, my workflow will start creating. And here you can see it is saying which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. I want every time my lead is going to watch my ad campaign, they're going to submit their details through the lead ad form, then the response should be captured instantly. So I want new lead instant as my trigger. Okay, now which Google Sheets action would you like for add row? I want to simply add a row with all the details that is captured from Facebook lead ads in my Google Sheets. Okay, and here the workflow is prepared. Let's approve and create it. As we have done that, the workflow template is created for us. So let's open it, and here you can see that we got the workflow very easily. Now we just have to build the connection. So this is my Facebook account, and here is my Facebook page on which I'm running my ad campaign. I have to build the connection between this Facebook page and Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, let's go towards Facebook lead ads. All of the details are already mentioned over here, such as the app and the app event. We just have to select the page name, but before that, let's click on connect, and I will show you how to build the connection. I have an existing connection, so I can go with that. But if you are creating for the first time, if you have a new connection, you can click on add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads, and quickly you can select your account. If you're already logged in, you can see the account directly over here. It will be visible to you. When you will click on continue, your connection will become successful. Now, after building the connection, you can simply select the page name. So as you know, the name of my page is Digital Dynamics. I am running my ad campaign over this and I want to connect. So I'm going to simply select it from the drop down. And now the next we are going to select is the form name. So here I'm going to use this lead ads form for generating the leads, for capturing the lead details. So I have selected that. Okay, now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we will receive the response whenever the form will be submitted. Okay, so in order to capture the response in real so that we can continue the workflow, I will be submitting a test form. Okay, for that I'm going to go towards Meta for Developers. I am not running any live campaign currently on my Facebook page. It's just because I want to show you how to build this connection, how actually everything works. Therefore, I'm going to use lead ads RTU debug tool. This is the testing tool for our Facebook forms. Okay, but in case when you will be running a live campaign, every time a real form will be submitted with all the real details, the response will be captured. Quickly, let me select the form. And because this is a testing tool, we cannot create multiple leads from here. So we have to delete the existing leads if we have any, and then we can continue. So I'm going to preview the form. I'm going to quickly submit, for example, the services which the lead wants. Let's say website design, best time to contact. Okay, and continue. Let's say these are the details. Okay, and now I'm going to click on submit. As soon as we have submitted the form, now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect and we will capture a new response over here. We got the response with all the same details that we have submitted over there. And now by using these details, we are going to create a record in our Google Sheets. So let's move towards Google Sheets and we'll build the connection. And here, let's click on connect. So this is the sheet in which I'm going to capture all the responses of my leads. It has lead name, email, phone number, contact time, and service. Okay, let me delete all the existing data from here. Now, every time Meta or Facebook leads will be captured, Google Ads lead will be captured, these record will be created over here. The name of my spreadsheet is leads, data, Meta, and Google Ads. Okay. Now let's build the connection. If you are building a new connection, you just have to select add new connection, select your account, provide some permissions, and your connection will be easily made. Now, as we have selected the spreadsheet name, the sheet name, these are the fields that we have in our sheet. So we have to enter the details over here in order to create the record. But instead of entering these details manually, we have to map them. How we are going to map? We will simply enter /. Here we receive a previous response. And what we want the name of the lead. And you can see that we receive the name over here. We will simply insert first of all the first name. Again, then we will insert the last name like this. Okay. As we have done that, as we have inserted the data from the previous response, it becomes dynamic. And automatically with every new response, it is going to replace. So every time a new lead will be received from Facebook lead ads, these details which we are going to map over here will get replaced with the new response. And in this way, every time a lead will be received, the data will be automatically recorded in Google Sheets, okay, without any manual efforts. In a similar manner, I'm going to map the email and all other details that are required. After mapping all the details, let me click on save and send test request button. We receive the response and I will quickly take you towards Google Sheets. Here you can see that the response is captured. Now, as the connection is built, every time a Facebook lead will be captured, the data will be recorded automatically where in the Google Sheets. Here we have simply built the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Now in the similar manner, I have already created the automation for Google Ads that I'm also going to show you. So this is the workflow I have created for capturing Google Ads leads inside Google Sheets in a similar manner that we have created for. I'm going to show you how to quickly build the connection. For that, let's go towards Google Ads. Basically, here we have the webhook URL. Let's simply copy it. You will go towards your ad campaign. When you will scroll down over there, you will find the option of lead delivery. And here you have to provide webhook URL and you can give any name to your key. And because this is a test campaign I'm using, I'm not running any live campaign currently. I cannot send a real data. So I'm going to click on send test data. And as I will do that, the response is received. This is the test response. Here we have services in which the lead is interested, their contact time, their phone number, email, and first name and last name. So these details are test details. Why? Because I am currently using a dummy campaign just in order to show you how to build the connection. Again, I have already built the connection between Google Sheets. We'll quickly map the data over here. Okay, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we will do that, the response is received. When I'm going to take you towards my Google Sheets, here you can see that the data is recorded. So here in this way, I can quickly capture all my leads from different lead sources such as Meta leads, Google leads, and not only these two, but anywhere. For example, if you're using Instagram leads, TikTok leads, you can capture all your leads data at a same place just with simple connection between your Meta ads, between your Google ads and Google Sheets. I hope this automation is clear to you and it is helpful for your business. Both the automations could be easily created just with the help of Quick Builder. And if you like the automation, it is useful for your business, you want to create it on your own, do purchase Pabbly Connect by using my coupon code because you are going to receive exclusive and highest discount of all. Okay, thank you for watching the video.